Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Palatable Kitchen channel. In this video I will be sharing with you how I make this homemade sweet yogurt. Yogurt is one of the things that I love eating so much. Like, I don't joke with yogurt at all, even my kids. And there are so many ways to make yogurt. You can make yogurt with liquid milk, and you can make yogurt with powdered milk. Once you have your yogurt starter, you are good to go. So stay tuned and let's get into the recipe. In here I have my water already boiling in the kettle. I have my towels for wrapping the yogurt. I have powdered milk. I have container for mixing. I have condensed milk for sweetener. I have yogurt starter. I have small bowl for mixing also, and I have hand mixing. I'm going to start by pouring the hot water in a bowl without wasting much of our time. And guys, this water is very hot. Yeah, but don't worry yourself. The water must surely cool down a bit after I might have finished mixing everything here, okay? So right away I will go on to open the milk with a scissors, and then I will start pouring it inside the hot water with one hand, dissolving it immediately so there will be no lumps left inside. After adding the milk, I will take my time to mix it thoroughly, and feel free to add as much as you want to add, okay? After mixing it thoroughly, I will go ahead and open my sweetener and add as much as I want to add, and also mix it as well. The milk is not coming out very well because of the one hole I opened. So right now I'm going to open another hole so the milk can be flowing very well. Now that I'm done adding the sweetener, I will take my time to mix it very well as well. And guys, remember that I told you guys that this water was very hot at the beginning. So right now I'm going to check if it's still that hot or it has cooled down a bit, okay? And to check it, I'm going to pour little amount at the back of my hand, and if it doesn't hurt me like 2 to 3 minutes, then we are good to go. So guys, at this point I will open my yogurt starter, add some amount in a small bowl, and another way to check if the milk is okay to add your yogurt starter is by dipping your finger inside the milk, and if you're able to count 1 to 10 without it hurting you badly, then you are good to go as well. Don't add your yogurt starter inside a hot milk, otherwise the hotness will kill the bacteria that are supposed to ferment the yogurt. Just make sure the milk is warm, like water you are using to birth a new baby. Next, I will add some liquid milk inside the yogurt starter, and then I will go ahead and dissolve it very well. After dissolving the starter, I will be pouring it inside the liquid milk and mix everything thoroughly as well. After mixing everything properly, next I will go ahead and pour the mixture into a container. Next, I will cover it up with the lid. And go ahead and wrap it up with a towel. You can as well use a bracket. After wrapping it up with a towel, I will go ahead and place it in a plastic. Next, I will gently drop it in my kitchen cupboard, kitchen oven, kitchen counter, or even a wardrobe. Any place that can keep it warm. That is where I will be keeping it for 13 to 14 hours. So see you guys tomorrow morning. Sweet dreams.
Next day.
Good morning to you all. Hope you all slept well. So guys, this morning we are going to check our yogurt. Is about 14 hours now. So let's go there. Let's check it. Wow, guys, look at this. The yogurt actually settled very well, and I am not surprised at all because I have made yogurt for more than 10 years, so there is nothing anybody can tell me or teach me about yogurt. And this method I used for this recipe is very simple method. You can give it a try. As you can see, I didn't cook my milk on the fire, yet the yogurt formed properly, like very thick, and it tasted so yummy. And once it gets into refrigerator, it's going to get more thicker than this. And guys, you cannot make a yogurt with this very yogurt because I make this yogurt with sweetener. Okay, so but very soon I'm going to upload a video on how to make yogurt starter. Okay, So, and I hope you really enjoy watching this video today, and if you do, why not give it a thumbs up, share this video, leave your comment at comment section below. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. Turn on your notification bell for you to be notified anytime I upload another video. So bye bye.